Hi everybody and welcome back to Wealth Wednesdays. My name is Janine Rogan and I'm the CEO of the Wealth Building Academy. Today we're going to be talking about bonds and fixed income. A bond is a type of fixed income and does have a place in your investment portfolio. Depending on how old you are, will determine how much fixed income you will require in your portfolio. The closer you are to retirement, the more fixed income you're going to want. The younger you are, the less fixed income you want. So if you're in your 20s or your 30s, you're probably not going to have very much allocated into bonds. Now, bonds are a debt instrument, which means that you are ultimately paying a company so that they can borrow money from you. And in return, they give you an interest rate or a payment or a premium to compensate you for taking on that risk. Now, it can be really challenging to purchase bonds on an individual basis from corporations. So there are ETFs that are made up of a group of different bonds. A couple examples of companies that have bond ETFs are BMO and iShares, and you can purchase units of this ETF bond fund through your brokerage account. This gives you the ability to access fixed income at a low unit cost while still seeing the benefit of receiving dividends and fixed income in your portfolio. As always, you want to make sure that the MER, the management expense ratio, is as low as possible in these funds so that you aren't giving up a lot of your investment returns to management fees. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week.